Okay. I know already. I should do on the first slide. So I know already. Okay. Here. And then the reaction. Oh, now I know. Okay. And then, may kiss. Garang. Okay. I'm enjoying. Manny, hi. Manny Bell. Hi, guys. And then, wait. Okay. Awkward. Oh. Okay. I know. I know lah. Maybe another minute. 45 minutes to. And then, too white. Wow. I'm too pretty about my filter using. I'm using a filter. My nose sharp. My lips. My eyes. My dimples. And then, look at my tiny hair here. It's curly. I don't know why. And then my devil. Anong English dun sa puyo? Yung puyo ko na andito dalawa Ayan o. Ano nga English dun sa puyo na yun? Do I look more better if I do like this? I put some buns. Ay, bongga. Yung pinagpalit ka sa tsaka. Yung maganda ka na, tapos pinagpalit ka lang sa tsaka. I don't know, maybe she have also TikTok account. And my ex also. Maybe. I'm not sure. Because my TikTok I never give to anyone. Ayan. Do I look more better if I put like this? Ay, bongga, taray. Taray natin, be. Look more younger. You know. So cute. We're so pretty. Let's do like maarte. I cannot speak in maarte. Okay, guys. Do I more look cute here or more pretty without like this or like this? Nagtawa lang sa sarili siya. God, what happened to me? Okay, yan. I think better like this. So cute. Diba? Ay, natatamaan yung mata ko. I cannot see. Ay, bongga. Lagyan pa natin ng konti. Tapos yung papalit lang sa'yo, mukhang tsaka. Nakakaloka. Nakakababa ng dignidad. Nakakababa ng dignidad. Sabi ganun eh. Nakakababa ng dignidad daw. Hi, Ate Jen. You want to join me? I will put you in guest. Do you want? Let's talk here. Do I look more pretty here? Buwi ka na. Tagal-tagal mo dyan. Nakikipag-date ka lang dyan eh. Nasa si Kulet? Ayan. Oh. O, diba? Tapos biglang dumating yung amo ko, no? Andy, what are you doing? Andy, what are you doing? I told you not to do that. Char. Wala naman sinasabi si Among ganun. Pero hindi alam ni Amo na nagti-TikTok ako. Hindi, alam niya. Pero hindi yung mga places na lang, sa labas lang. Pero dito hindi. Ayan. Mamaya tayo kukuha ng picture. Mas cute ako dito. Ang cute niya. So, ano ilalagay ko sa feedback? Saan ba makikita yun? Di ko alam. Basta tinaray ko lang siya. Makagawa ng earphone ko. Ngayon, wala na. Makagawa ng earphone. Okay. Sure ka ha? Unlock guesting. Wait. How? 30 minutes is over. Hindi pa pwede yata mag-guesting. Saan ba na mag-guesting yan? Get more viewers, unlock, and... Saan? Wala pa. Kailangan ko pa makapag tatlong beses.